thank you to Nick. Thank you for helping me out. So they were mentioned in the Super Street magazine right here. And just like that, she's all Hey, welcome back guys. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day. So today we're going to be talking about the Lambo doors I have installed on my car. If you guys are new to the channel, this is my C6 Corvette and it does have Lambo doors installed on it, but there's only one problem. Let me show you guys. So as you can tell, there's a little problem. The doors won't stay up, and that tends to happen with any gas strut. Is just over time the gases escape or the part wears out and it stops going up, and that's what happened to my hatch in the back. I had to replace that gas strut, but today we're gonna get these doors fixed finally. And I'm glad that I'm finally getting this fixed because it's just something I've been putting off for a while. And I really wanted to put it up during photo shoots and I couldn't just because it looks sick in my opinion. It's time to head over to Vertical Doors right here in Lake Elsinore. I say right here in Lake Elsinore like I'm already there, but I'm actually not there. So it's time to head over there. Damn, look at this Rolls Royce though. That thing's sick. Look at this, $499 for premium out here in Cali. But yeah, getting gas right now, and look at how amazing this wrap looks. Wow, it's such a beautiful day here in California, but obviously it wouldn't be California if there's no traffic. But yeah, gorgeous day today. And just like that, we're here at Vertical Doors. Alright, here they are taking it in right here. Vertical Doors. Hit up Nick if you guys see him. Say what's up, but they're about to fix my doors right now. So they were mentioned in the Super Street magazine right here. Pretty cool stuff. So probably around 2006. And this was their old location. And putting it on a G35. It's pretty cool though that they're mentioned in Super Street. Wow, look at this modified Mag 2 on this RX-7. Dude, this is the time when just tuner cars were like the golden era. Sick stuff. Look at this. Look at this interior. Oh my gosh. Wow, and it's all done. Wow. This side too. Sheesh.
It is new.
Oh my gosh. It's been a minute since it's been able to do that. Just want to thank you to Nick. Thank you for helping me out and getting the vet right. Looks super clean. Did an amazing job. Really good fitment, and might come back for these wide body fenders. I don't know, we'll see. So hit up Vertical Doors right here in Lake Elsinore. Make sure to check them out if you ever want to get your doors done. What kind of cars do you guys do?
We do every kind of cars, from Corvettes to Honda Civics.
There you go, you heard it here. So if you guys need the doors, make sure to hit them up. And just like that, she's all done. Look at how good this thing looks, especially from this angle. Oh my gosh, that thing looks so good. So one thing, or actually two things I really like about this is that, listen to this. It literally closes like it's from factory, and once I open it, look at this, one finger, and it goes up on its own. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with this thing. Like, say what you guys want to say about Lambo doors, but when the doors go up, this thing looks freaking beautiful. And just look at the quality that Vertical Doors does. They have really good quality. I mean, just look at how thick that piece of metal is right here. Like, this is for sure not going anywhere, and they take care of the wiring perfectly, as you can see. And the shock is there. You can't even really see it, to be honest. It's really hidden, and just look at that. Like, honestly, it looks OEM, and that's one thing I love about this. Alright, and this is what it looks like getting in and out. So that's getting in, and you just grab this. There you go. Damn. This thing, I can't get over it, you guys. Like, I'm just so glad that this thing's finally fixed, and it's actually been useful a couple times when I had these doors, because sometimes, you know, places have really high curbs and I wasn't able to open the door, and this thing actually helped with that. So, I mean, it is useful at times, you know, but I know there's people gonna be roasting me in the comments about, why would you do that? Why would you put that on? You know what, man, it's my car, you know, I'm happy with it. I think it looks good. You can't lie, this thing looks amazing. Like, it's so beautiful. But there's a wide body kit that they also sell, which I might go back. I don't know, we'll see, because it's a little pricey, obviously. But yeah, it's like the Super Vet wide body. I'll show a little picture up here. But yeah, I might come in back for that, but don't tell nobody though, unless you've seen this video. Gotta have your boba milk tea, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, let me just close this. That's what it looks like from here, you know what I'm saying? You could do a little bah, 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 bah. Well, on the freeway, just kidding, don't do that. Don't do what I'm doing. But that's how you close it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that as much as I did, because this thing looks so good now, especially when it's parked. Can't wait to go to meets and stuff. But anyways, yeah, if you guys want vertical doors, hit up Vertical Doors in Lake Elsinore. Ask for Nick. Took care of me, super nice guy. But right now I'm just about to head to Lucille's. I don't know if you guys ever had that, but Lucille's is this barbecue place. I love barbecue. I don't know about you guys, but I love anything with barbecue, whether it's chicken, if it's pork, beef, you name it. Oh my gosh, barbecue any time of the day, I could just eat it, man. So right now I'm just heading there for my brother's birthday, and I was waiting for this to get done, and I got hungry, right? So I decided to DoorDash some Chinese food, but now it's just literally just going to waste, bro. Like, I bought a bowl after taxes, $10, right? It was $10 after taxes, delivery fee, literally like 2 blocks down the street while I was waiting for my car to get done. Dude, a $10 bowl turned into $20. I was like, but it's probably gonna be going to waste just back there, because my parents were like, yo, let's go eat for your brother's birthday. And here we are at Lucille's, about to go grub for my brother's birthday dinner, and I'll show you guys the food right now.
Can I take a picture? I will take a picture of you guys.
What do you think? Sick. Sick?
Yeah.
I know, glad it's finally fixed, finally.
Yeah, it should have been fixed like a month ago, but
I know,
yeah,
forgot about it.
it's because that forgot.
So I'm saying,
Oh my god.
one of the workers was like, you should put spacers on here. And I was like, dude, you're the second person that told me that already. He's like, yeah, it'll look better if it's like aligned like flush to this. But I don't know, in due time. Look at how easy it is. Just to, mom could even do it now.
Oh, and like before it's like.
Yeah, before it was like super hard to, literally one finger. Got it?
Yeah. Oh, before like ano ba ito? Ang bigat-bigat.
Yeah, there you go.
Yes.
Yeah.